In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet. First, go ahead and log into your Smartsheet account. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner and click the Create button. Smartsheet will ask where you want to create your new item, and from there you can explore different options, including templates. Templates can be helpful if you want a head start, but for this example, we're creating something from scratch. Hover over Sheet, then choose Table. After that, give it a moment to load, since creation can sometimes take a few seconds. Once your new sheet opens, the first thing you'll want to do is name it. You can do that at the top left. Giving your sheet a clear name right away makes it easier to stay organized, especially if you'll be creating several sheets later. Now let's quickly understand the structure of a Smartsheet sheet. It's built from columns and rows. Columns represent the kinds of information you want to track, such as tasks, dates, owners, or status. Rows are the individual items or records that fill in that information. So if you're tracking a project, each row might represent one task. You'll notice that Smartsheet gives you a few columns to start with. To rename the primary column, double-click the column header. A drop-down will appear and you can rename it to something like task. You may also see the option to add a description, which can be useful for explaining what should go in that column. Click apply when you're done, then repeat that process for the other columns, adjusting them to fit your needs, such as owner, due date, or status. If you need more space, adding columns or rows is simple. Click the plus icon beside the last column or the last row. Adding a row happens right away, while adding a column lets you choose the column type first, which helps ensure the data is formatted correctly. If you want to remove something, hover over the column or row, click the More Options icon, and choose either Delete Column or Delete Row. Just make sure you're removing the correct one before confirming. This setup is only an example, so feel free to copy it exactly or customize it based on your workflow. Smartsheet is flexible and you can even build automations later once your sheet is set up. To start adding data, click into any cell and either type a value or choose one, depending on the column type. You can also change how your information is displayed by using the View drop-down in the top toolbar. If it currently says Table, open it and explore other views like Board, Timeline, Grid, Gantt, or Calendar. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share in the top right corner. From there, add the people you want, choose Link Access Settings, decide whether they can view, comment, or edit, and then save your changes. And that's it.